Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send BNB from your Metamask wallet to your Kraken exchange account in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just brushing up on your skills, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring tokens in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Metamask extension installed on your browser, some BNB in your Metamask wallet, and a verified Kraken account. Also, ensure you're connected to the BNB Smart Chain network in Metamask, as this is crucial for BNB transactions. Step 1. Open your Metamask wallet and double-check that you're on the BNB Smart Chain. If not, switch networks by clicking the network drop-down at the top and selecting BNB Smart Chain. Next, head over to your Kraken account. Log in, go to the Deposit section, and search for BNB. Kraken will provide you with a specific deposit address. Make sure it's for the BNB Smart Chain to avoid any issues. Copy this address carefully. It's like your digital safe key, so don't mix it up. Now, back in Metamask, click on the Send button. Paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount of BNB you want to send, and take a moment to review the transaction details, including any gas fees. These fees can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Once you're happy with the details, hit Confirm to broadcast the transaction. You'll see a confirmation pop-up. Double-check everything one last time. After approval, your BNB will be on its way. This process usually takes a few minutes, but it can depend on network congestion. Finally, once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, log back into Kraken and check your account balance to ensure the BNB has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and maybe refresh the page. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify addresses and amounts to protect your assets. That's it for this guide. You've just mastered sending BNB from Metamask to Kraken. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next video.